We were playing spin the bottle.
It was like a brick. My lips like...
She gave me like one of these, like,
I felt like I read the situation completely wrong.
I'm gay.
My first kiss was with Juan. I remember a lot of butterflies.
It was a little awkward. I don't know if I should breathe.
Would you be open to kissing him again?
Yes. It was a game day, so I had to wear my whole cheer attire. He was just wearing his regular school uniform.
Hi.
I remember his hair was just like curled the right way. I thought he was cute.
Like I had sweat beads coming down my face.
I'm sweaty all the time.
We saw the bus driver kind of just staring at us.
Does he look kind of pissed?
I remember we were just at this house party,
Dizzy, and then
and I ended up coming out to her. And she was the first person I had came out to. It started a great friendship.
If I were to kiss Priscilla again,
I wouldn't mind it.
I probably wouldn't have my lips like shaped like a bullet.
Oh my God, hi. If we could do it all over again, I wish the bus driver just wasn't there, sleeping or something.
I'm suddenly very sleepy.
I probably would have had a sweat rag.
I would probably have it done at the beach.
May I kiss you?
Yes.
Action!
felt the same.
I remember we were, and then...
And I was like,
Do it again?
Keeping your lips smooth since before you knew how to use them. EOS.